罗西亚甲乌克兰开战要2年啊。根据联合国的评估，乌克兰差不多要开美金5000亿才有够顶建。战争还未收煞，即阵乌克兰东部的前线阿夫迪夫卡将要互罗西亚围起来，恐惊守袂牢啊！那罗西亚边境的城市因为乌克兰空袭，上无6个人死亡，10多人受伤。
有一份联合国家世界银行后边甲乌克兰政府联合评估的报告15公布，内容显示，未来10年乌克兰需要4860亿美金，换算台票超过15条，才有法度支付予俄罗斯入侵了的中间的费用。这个金额是比前一年估计4110亿美金还更加悬。敢若今年乌克兰就需要150亿美金来修复上潮级的厝甲交通。
Approximately 2 million homes have been damaged or destroyed, impacting nearly 10% of all housing units in Ukraine, hindering rebuilding efforts. The study also indicates about $80 billion in damages and loss in agriculture and $54 billion in revenue loss in the energy sector.
报告显示，损失拢集中伫咧前线4个州，包括顿内茨克、卢甘斯克、哈尔松加扎波罗热。不过，首都基辅加东北大城哈尔科夫损失也真惨重。俄战争已经拍要到2年，顿内茨克前线阿夫迪夫卡经过几个月激烈的战斗，已经规拢拍远去，而且俄军这么欠军火，打算要对这撤军，另外找所在防守。
Unfortunately, we're getting reports from the Ukrainians that the situation is critical, with the Russians continuing to press Ukrainian positions every single day. Avdiivka is at risk of falling into Russian control. In very large part, this is happening because the Ukrainian forces on the ground are running out of artillery ammunition.
俄战争拍袂煞，俄罗斯的比尔格罗德市离乌克兰边境只敢若30公里，15遭受俄军的空袭。当地州长讲，飞弹攻击造成至少6个人死亡，10几个人受伤，其中6个人伤势真严重。俄罗斯国防部表示，防空系统甲14粒乌克兰的火箭弹拍落。联合国是呼吁禁止针对平民甲民用基础设施的攻击。公司新闻张伟林、张建光编辑。